Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. It's a previous year ESIC question paper with answers. So let's see. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos. So let's see. This question paper is very useful for upcoming exam of ESIC staff nurse and also important for other staff nurse exams. So let's see. Question number first. The SA node is situated in. Right answer is first right atrium. SA node is situated in right atrium. Next question. Question number second. Hydropneus is a condition where there is excess volume of. Answer is amniotic fluid. In hydropneus, amniotic fluid is excess in volume. And other also type of condition is polyhydramnios and hydropneus. So right answer is first amniotic fluid increased in hydropneus. Next question. Question number 3. Isolates of Langerhans are present in. Right answer is pancreas. Isolates of Langerhans are present in pancreas. Next question. Question number 4. Taste sensation from posterior 1/3 of tongue is conveyed by. Answer is second glossopharyngeal nerve. The taste sensation from posterior 1/3 of tongue is conveyed by the glossopharyngeal nerve. Next question. Question number 5. The primary visual area is situated in the. Right answer is occipital lobe. The primary visual area is situated in the occipital lobe. Next question. Question number 6. The normal diameter of RBCs is. Right answer is 7 to 8 μm. The exact diameter is 6 to 8 μm. But there is 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So correct answer is 7 to 8 μm is the normal diameter of RBC. Next question. The contractile protein in skeletal muscle is. Right answer is 1. Actin. Actin is the contractile protein that is present in the skeletal muscles. Next question. Question number 8. Ptyalin is present in. Right answer is saliva. Ptyalin is an enzyme that is present in the saliva. Next question. Question number 9. Sinus bradycardia is seen in. Answer is athletes. Sinus bradycardia is seen in the athletes. Next question. The maximum volume of air that can be expired after a maximal inspiratory effort is called. Correct answer is vital capacity. Next question. Question number 11. An individual has maximum number of oocytes. Right answer is first at 20 weeks of gestation. Maximum number of oocytes present at the 20 week of gestation. Next question. Question number 12. LH or luteinizing hormone surge occurs or peak level occurs. Right answer is third 24 hours before ovulation. Luteinizing hormone surge or peak level occurs at the time of 24 hours before ovulation. Next question. Question number 13. The major contributor to amniotic fluid is. Answer is fourth, fetal urine. Fetal urine is the major contributor to amniotic fluid. Next question. Question number 14. The average weight of human placenta at term is. Correct answer is first 500 gram. 500 gram is the normal weight of human placenta at the term. Next question. Question number 15. The appearance of Montgomery follicles during pregnancy occur at. Correct answer is breast. The appearance of Montgomery follicles during pregnancy occur as breast. Next question. Corpus luteum secretes. Right answer is third one, progesterone. Corpus luteum secretes the progesterone hormone. Next question. Question number 17. The mother generally feels the active fetal movement first at the end of. Right answer is fourth, 16th week. 16th week of pregnancy, mothers generally feel the active fetal movement. So it's also known as the quickening. It's a sign of quickening. that is feel at the time of 16th week of pregnancy. Next question. All the following parameters are used to assess progress of labor except. Right answer is third, fetal heart rate. Fetal heart rate is not monitored during the progress of labor. So correct answer is third, fetal heart rate. And cervical dilation, descent of fetus, uterine contraction is the part of which is assessed during the progress of labor. Next question. Question number 19. In a preemie gravida, the cervical dilatation occurs at a maximum rate of. Right answer is second, 3 centimeter per hour. In preemie gravida, cervical dilatation occurs at the maximum rate of 3 centimeter per hour. Next question. Question number 20. Discharge of lochia occurs during. Right answer is purpurium. After the delivery period, it's a 6 week of delivery period. Discharge of lochia occurs at the purpurium. Lochia alba, serosa. These are the type of lochia. Next question. If the woman does not nurse her child or breastfeed her child, the menstrual flow will probably resume within. Right answer is third, 6 to 8 weeks after the delivery. Next question. The duration of normal puerperium is. Right answer is for 6 weeks. The duration of normal puerperium is 6 weeks. Next question. Question number 23. The most sensitive marker to predict preterm labor is. Right answer is third, fibronectin. Fibronectin is the most sensitive marker to predict preterm labor. Next question, question number 24. The commonest valvular disease in pregnancy. Right answer is second, mitral stenosis. Mitral stenosis is a very dangerous disease in the time of pregnancy because it can cause the death of mother. So, correct answer is second, mitral stenosis, the most commonest valvular disease in the pregnancy. Next question. Labor is said to be precipitated when it terminates in. Correct answer is third, less than 3 hours of onset. Labor is said to be precipitated when it terminates in less than 3 hours of onset. Next question. The corpus luteum of pregnancy is functionally active up to. Answer is fourth, 10 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Next question. The main hormone responsible for lactation is. Answer is first, prolactin. Prolactin is the main hormone that is responsible for lactation. And oxytocin is production of milk. Next question. In a healthy woman, the only organism found in upper two-thirds of the vagina is. Correct answer is second, Dordalan bacillus. Next question. Question number 29. Increase in vessel body temperature after ovulation is due to. Answer is progesterone hormone. The increase in basal body temperature after ovulation is due to the progesterone hormone. Next question. The best method for spacing childbirth in women is. Right answer is IUCD or intrauterine copper device is the best method for spacing childbirth. Next question. Question number 31. Regularly timed episode of bleeding that are excessive in amount are called. Correct answer is third, menorrhagia. Menorrhagia is the regularly timed episode of bleeding that are excessive in amount of bleeding. Next question, question number 32. The average normal respiratory rate per minute in a newborn is 14 breaths per minute is a normal respiratory rate in a newborn. Next question, question number 33. Infant usually double their birth weight by the age of. Correct answer is 5 months. Next question. At birth there are. Right answer is 36 fontanelles present at the birth time. Next question. The recommended sites for X-ray for born age determination of 11 to 12 years child is. Correct answer is third, head and wrist. Next question. BCG vaccine is given. Right answer is fourth, intradermal. BCG vaccine is given at the intradermal. Next question. Scurvy is due to deficiency of. Correct answer is second, vitamin C. Scurvy is due to deficiency of vitamin C. Next question. Montague's test is positive in. Correct answer is first, tuberculosis. In tuberculosis, Mount-X test or tuberculin test is positive. Next question. The cyanotic congenital heart disease is. Correct answer is fourth, teratology of Fallot. And teratology of Fallot, cyanotic congenital heart disease, and ventricular septal defect, atrial septal defect, and patent ductus arteriosus is the acyanotic congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease divided into two parts, cyanotic and acyanotic congenital heart disease. Next question. 14th. The major criteria for the diagnosis of rheumatic fever include all except. Correct answer is second, fever. Fever is not the criteria for diagnosis of rheumatic fever. Next question. Abnormally high accumulation of cerebrospinal fluid in the intracranial space is called as. Correct answer is first, hydrocephalus. Abnormally high accumulation of CSF in intracranial space is called as the hydrocephalus. Next question. Paralysis of both lower limbs is called. Correct answer is third, paraplegia. Paraplegia is a both lower limbs paralysis. And quadriplegia, both hand and both legs. And monoplegia on one side. So it's a paraplegia for the paralysis of both lower limbs. Next question. All of the following are features of nephrotic syndrome except. Correct answer is fourth, increased blood pressure. Increased blood pressure is not the sign or features of nephrotic syndrome. Next question. Hypochromic and microcytic RBCs are seen in. Correct answer is second, iron deficiency anemia. In iron deficiency anemia, hypochromic and microcytic RBCs are seen. Next question. Purpura is a manifestation of. Correct answer is third, thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia purpura. Next question. Accumulation of excess fluid in the intestinal space is called. Correct answer is effusion. Effusion is the accumulation of excess fluid in the intestinal space. Next question. Question number 47. A localized abnormal dilatation of any blood vessels is called. Correct answer is third, aneurysm. Next question. 48. The benign tumor of blood vessel is called. Correct answer is hemangioma. Hemangioma is a benign tumor of blood vessels. Next question. Question number 49. All of the following disorder are chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder COPD except. Right answer is fourth, pleural effusion. Pleural effusion is not the part of COPD, and emphysema, chronic bronchitis and bronchial asthma, it's a part of COPD disorder. Next question. Question number 50. Vomiting of blood is called. Correct answer is hematemesis. Hematemesis is the vomiting of blood. And hemoptysis, coughing in the blood, and melena, blood in the stool. Next question. Question number 51. The most universally accepted indicator of health status is. Right answer is second, infant mortality rate. It's the most universally accepted indicator of health status. Next question. Question number 52. The ability of an organism to induce clinically apparent illness is called. Right answer is pathogenicity. Next question is question number 53. Lifestyle modification is an example for. Right answer is for primordial prevention. Lifestyle modification is an example for primordial prevention. Next question. Question number 54. Hospital acquired infection is called. Right answer is nosocomial infection. Nosocomial infection is also known as the hospital acquired infection. Next question. The ability of a test to identify correctly those who do not have the disease is called. Right answer is second, specificity. Specificity is the ability of a test to identify correctly those who do not have the disease. Next question. Question number 56. All of the following facts about chickenpox are true except. Right answer is third, centrifungal distribution of races is not seen in the chickenpox. Next question. The drug of choice for chemoprophylaxis of cholera is, right answer is fourth, tetracycline. Tetracycline is the drug of choice that is used in the chemoprophylaxis for cholera. Next question. The minimum number of doses of tetanus toxoid given to a pregnant woman is, right answer is second. 2 doses is the minimum number of dose that is provided for the pregnant woman of tetanus toxoid or TT. Next question. The non-modifiable risk factors for hypertension include all except, correct answer is obesity. Obesity is a modifiable risk factor and these all are the non-modifiable. Age, sex and genetics factor cannot be modified or changed. So right answer is fourth, obesity. Next question. Sex ratio is defined as, right answer is first, the number of female per 1000 males. It's a sex ratio. Next question, question number 61. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act (MTP) Act was passed in the year. Correct answer is 1971. MTP Act was passed in the year 1971. Next question. The amount of energy provided by fats is, right answer is fourth, 9 kilocalorie per gram. Fats provide the 9 kilocalorie per gram energy. Next question. Blood clotting time is considerably prolonged in deficiency of vitamin K. Vitamin K is most important for blood clotting. So, right answer is second, vitamin K. Next question. The net protein utilization is maximum for, answer is first, egg. Next question. Normal IQ is in the range of, answer is fourth, 90 to 103. It's a normal IQ. Next question. Question number 66. The family consisting of married couple and their children is called, answer is first, nuclear family. Next question. Steroids are preferably administered once in the, right answer is first, morning. Steroids are generally or preferably administered once in the morning time. Next question. The best test to assess the prognosis of the patient is, right answer is third, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, ESR rate. The best test to assess the prognosis of the patient. Next question. Question number 69. The every 1 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature, the pulse rate increases by, answer is second, 10 beats per minute. Next question, question number 70. Usually from which data is the body mass index BMI calculated? Correct answer is fourth, person's weight and height is calculated in the BMR. Next question, question number 71. Fat soluble vitamin includes all except, right answer is second, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a water soluble vitamin and vitamin A, D, E, K is a fat soluble vitamin. Next question, question number 72. The antiviral drug among the following is, right answer is acyclovir and ethambutol, tetracycline and ampicillin is the antibiotic and acyclovir is the antiviral drug. Next question. In general, arterial oxygenation is satisfactory if SpO2 is greater than, correct answer is 90%. Next question. Capnography is a measurement of, correct answer is first, CO2 carbon dioxide concentration. Capnography is a measurement of carbon dioxide concentration. Next question, question number 75. Excessive fatigue after minimal physical or mental exertion is, correct answer is third, neurasthenia. Excessive fatigue after minimal physical or mental exertion is neurasthenia. Next question. Commonest causative organism for UTI or urinary tract infection is, answer is second, Escherichia coli or E. coli. Next question. Question number 77. Unpleasant awareness of one's own heartbeat is called palpitation. Palpitation is the unpleasant awareness of one's own heartbeat. Next question. The early predictor of diabetic nephropathy is, right answer is third, microalbuminuria. Microalbuminuria is the early predictor for the diabetic nephropathy. Next question, question number 79. Absorbable suture material includes all except. Correct answer is third, polyester. Polyester is not a absorbable suture material. Next question, dysphagia is. Correct answer is fourth, difficulty in swallowing. Difficulty in swallowing known as the dysphagia. Next question, question number 81. Chief cells of gastric gland secrete. Correct answer is second, pepsinogen. Chief cells of gastric gland secrete the pepsinogen. Next question, question 82. In case suffering from hepatic encephalopathy, the dietary protein intake should be restricted to. Correct answer is fourth, less than 20 gram per day. Next question, question 83. High level of alpha fetoprotein is diagnosis of. Correct answer is second, hepatoma. High level of alpha fetoprotein is diagnostic of hepatoma. Next question. Children who have undergone splenectomy should receive. Answer is first, pneumococcal vaccine. Next question, question 85. The most widely used test for pancreatic damage is. Correct answer is third, serum amylase. Serum amylase is the most widely used test for the pancreatic damage. Next question, question 86. Valuable connivance is characteristically seen in. Correct answer is second, jejunum. Next question, proctoscopy is used to inspect. Right answer is fourth, lower rectum. Proctoscopy is used to inspect the lower rectum. Next question is, Vonni's test is used to confirm. Right answer is first, stress incontinence. Vonni's test is used to confirm the stress incontinence. Next question, question number 89. The perimeter is used to assess. Answer is third, visual field. Perimeter is used to assess the visual fields. Next question, question number 90. The basic unit to measure the amount of activity in a radioactive sample is. Right answer is Curie. Curie is the basic unit to measure the amount of activity in a radioactive sampling. Next question, question 91. All of the following are IV intravenous anesthetic except. Correct answer is fourth, diethyl ether is not a IV anesthetic agent. Next question, the concentration of oxygen in air is. Right answer is 21%. Next question, question 93. The QRS complex in ECG represent. Correct answer is third, ventricular muscle depolarization. QRS complex in ECG represent the ventricular muscle depolarization. Next question, question 94. Removing 250 ml to 500 ml from a peripheral vein is called. Correct answer is first, phlebotomy. Removing of 250 ml to 500 ml from a peripheral vein is called the phlebotomy. Next question, question 95. The electrolyte disorder that is common in patient on insulin infusion is. Correct answer is first, hypokalemia. Next question, clean catch midstream technique is used to collect. Right answer is third, urine sample. Clean catch midstream technique is used to collect the sample of urine sample. Next question, the apical impulse of heart is normally felt at. Correct answer is first, left fifth intercostal space. Next question, question 98. A graphical recording of electrical activity generated in the brain is called. Right answer is first, electroencephalography. Electroencephalography is a graphical recording of electrical activity generated in the brain. Electrocardiography is used for the heart. Next question, question 99. The bone remodeling hormone is. Right answer is second, calcitonin. Calcitonin is the bone remodeling hormone. Next question, an irresistible urge to void urine occurs when bladder volume increases to. Right answer is 600 ml. Next question. It's a GK related question, so please see it. Question number 101, 25 GK related question. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is second, President. President appoints the Chief Justice of India. Next question. Telescope was first invented by? Right answer is Hans Lippershey. Hans Lippershey invented the telescope was first. Next question. The author of A Passage to India is? Right answer is third, E.M. Forster. E.M. Forster is the author of A Passage to India. Next question. When do you find clock and calendar in computer? Right answer is second, taskbar. Next question. Rabi region is? Right answer is third, October to April is a Rabi region. Next question. Earth revolves around the sun in every 365 1/4 days. Next question. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 165. What is the sum of the largest number and twice the smallest number? Correct answer is first, 167. Next question. Which one of the following is not met correctly? Right answer is third. Next question. Today is Tuesday. After 62 days it will be. It's all over the reasoning and GK related question. Nowadays in nursing, 25 to 30 number of GK question will become. So please prepare for this. Right answer is third, Tuesday. Next question. THILLI is coded as 135645 and PRBU is coded at 89427. And what is the code of BHARTHI Bharti? Correct answer is first one. Next question is complete the following series with a suitable number. 13, 13, 15 and blank 25 and 33. These all are the odd numbers. Next question. Arrange the following words in a logical sequence. Correct answer is second.